Just seeing the potential of what Workamajig has to offer and being at these boot camps, it's just such a time saver and it's just so much more efficient.
One of the things that I really like about the finance boot camp is that I'm sitting in a room with lots of people who do the same job as I do.
It's a great way for me to just kind of fully immerse myself. It was half hearing what the Workamajig team is presenting, but also half meeting other users on the Workamajig system.
Today, it's just all operations managers and account managers.
Workamajig, they have a great agenda and a good staff that is able to reach everybody.
This is the first one I've been able to go to. So it was nice to meet and see the faces of the people that help us so often.
And it's just been really nice to kind of meet other agencies and people who use Workamajig and to kind of bounce ideas back and forth with them on how they're using it.
For me, it's kind of been a real nice refresher course, as well as a reminder of like, you really need to start using these features over here because it will make everyone's life easier.
One of the things that I like about Workamajig is they really have designed the program to work for advertising agencies.
For me, it was not one of those systems that was built and then, oh, here's accounting and the afterthought. It was really considered building the accounting software system to be a complete ERP so it can handle other things other than just the client projects.
The billing by campaign is probably the one that I'm excited to try when I get back.
This Workamajig boot camps help people realize that in a day they could learn a lot.
We could not live without Workamajig. And I think that is a testament to how easy it is to use, how it's efficient for every department. It's been a game changer.